Did you know that pandas can sneeze with such force that it sounds like a honking horn? That's right. Giant pandas, while munching on their favorite bamboo, sometimes sneeze to clear out any debris or irritants. This quirky behavior is not just cute, it helps them breathe better. Interestingly, their sneezes can reach up to 100 decibels, about as loud as a jackhammer. So next time you hear about someone sneezing like a panda, you'll know they mean serious business. And don't forget, these adorable bears spend around 12 hours a day eating bamboo and can consume up to 40 pounds daily, a true testament to their extraordinary appetite.